Hey there, I'm here to share the world I create through my art. My artistic journey began with deep personal transformations. These changes became the foundation of my unique vision. Each painting reflects not just me, but you as well. My art is a path to revealing the wholeness of existence. I aim to break the illusion of separation and unite fragmented parts. It's a shared journey where personal awareness leads to universal unity. I explore and transform the world, bringing beauty through art. Feeling and reason are the two wings of human existence. Only by balancing them can we approach truth. My creative process is an act of self-discovery and healing. Mirrors in my work guide us deeper into ourselves. My art unites the material and spiritual, inner and outer. I create layered meanings with texture, volume, gold, and stone. Gold symbolizes higher spiritual energy. Stones connect with nature, creating dynamic art that changes as you move, bridging sensory understanding. I invite you to explore yourself and your connection to the world. Unity isn't something to seek, it's always within us.